What's up, guys? It's Chris.
So, the garbage disposal is jammed. You got it humming. Can hear it humming. You want to get below the sink here with your red set, right? The SAE 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch driver will set right into the center of the disposal. There's a little bevel down there. I'll post a picture in the video. You're gonna, if you can, rock that thing back and forth. Once you rock it back and forth, it should loosen up, okay? Run some water. Now sometimes when you rock that thing back and forth, you run some water, you may have broke loose a leak. So you want to be very careful running water after you've unjammed your disposal. So run some water. There's obviously something in there. And now we're going to have to pull it down and figure out exactly what's down in there causing this thing to jam. But we know it's unjammed now. We know the disposal's okay. Now all we have to do is remove the disposal and then reinstall it. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. Now, this is a single bowl sink. Most sinks have 2 bowls, or I guess it's 50-50. Some sinks have 2 bowls, some have 3. This is a single bowl sink, so all I'm going to have to do is remove the garbage disposal from the flange and the P-trap, and I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Now, P-trap, the nut actually spins backwards, so it loosens that direction. It's upside down, basically, I guess is the way to look at it. And I hate these P-traps. If you ever have to snake this type of line, I highly suggest just cutting this trap off and redoing the whole trap. So now I've pulled the trap. I'm going to take my Allen, my 1/4 inch Allen, slip it here in the flange, and the flange will pop loose just like that. Now that the flange is loose, I just rotate it. It pops loose. Boom. Now, you want to make sure the disposal is unplugged if you're going to put your hands in the garbage disposal, guys. I don't care what the deal is, you want to make sure the disposal is unplugged. I don't see like a specific culprit, but we're going to go ahead and vacuum it out and we're going to get right back. See all the holes on the inside of the disposal? All the holes like around the side there. I don't know if you can really see them. I'll try and put a picture on the video of the inside holes of the disposal. That's where it drains through. So these little knockers right here, they just spin around and chop stuff up, and then it's supposed to drain through there. So if it won't chop up enough to fit through there, it's not going to drain through there. That's why we don't recommend putting a lot of stuff down there. And if you put stuff like peels and stuff down there, it just clogs up those little holes and you get a clogged disposal. So, put it back together and see what's going on. I'll put it back up and rehang it. Now, this is my way of hanging garbage disposal. A lot of people seem to really get a kick out of it. I always figured that, you know, there had to be a better way than just sitting under it. And I take my foot like this and I prop the disposal on my toe and I sit it up there nice and snug, and boom, the disposal is hung, guys. Wasn't that easy? I'm sure you guys have struggled many times trying to hang a disposal when all you had to do was stick your size 11.5 shoe under it. Now this is what we call the moment of truth, guys. We're going to find out if it's fixed or if they need a new disposal. Voila! $2.25, please.